When you think of greatness, one name inevitably stands out: Michael Jordan. The man who redefined basketball, shattered records, and inspired millions with his relentless willpower. But what truly made him legendary was his mindset. Today, we're diving deep into the principles that powered his rise from being just a player to becoming a global icon. Michael Jeffrey Jordan. 6 NBA championships, 5 MVPs, 10 scoring titles, and an unparalleled drive to win. But this wasn't just raw talent. It was his mindset, the way he approached the game, challenges, and life itself, that made him the GOAT. What lessons can we learn from him? Let's break it down. Jordan wasn't just a player, he was a perfectionist. After losing to the Detroit Pistons multiple times in the late 80s, he didn't point fingers or make excuses. Instead, he doubled down. Jordan transformed his body and game, spending the off-season building the strength to handle the Pistons' bad boys defense. He believed greatness comes from consistent, incremental improvement. In his own words, "You can practice shooting 8 hours a day, but if your technique is wrong, then all you become is very good at shooting the wrong way." Ask yourself, are you putting in the right kind of effort? Are you focused on getting better every day, no matter how small the steps? Like Jordan, greatness isn't about perfection, it's about consistent, focused improvement. Start today. Failure was never a stopping point for Jordan, it was a launchpad. Early in his career, he was cut from his high school basketball team. For many, that would have been the end. But for Jordan, it was just the beginning. He turned every setback into a lesson. His perspective was simple: failure is inevitable, but growth is optional. I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times, I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed. Failure isn't the enemy, it's your greatest teacher. Embrace it. Use it. Grow from it. Jordan's story reminds us that success isn't about avoiding failure, it's about learning from it and using it to fuel greatness. Jordan's competitive spirit was legendary. Whether it was a championship game, a practice session, or a casual card game, he wanted to win. But this wasn't about ego, it was about pushing himself to his limits. He set the bar so high for himself and his teammates that mediocrity was never an option. His competitiveness wasn't about putting others down, it was about lifting the team to greatness. What's the takeaway? Compete with yourself every day. Ask, how can I be better than I was yesterday? Push your limits. Demand the best from yourself and inspire those around you to do the same. In the end, greatness isn't just about winning, it's about becoming the best version of yourself and inspiring others to do the same. Confidence wasn't something Jordan hoped for, it was something he earned. He believed in his abilities because he prepared relentlessly. For every iconic shot he took, thousands of hours went into perfecting it in practice. Jordan once said, "You have to expect things of yourself before you can do them." True confidence isn't about hoping you'll succeed. It's about knowing you've done the work. Whether you're taking a test, giving a presentation, or competing in sports, preparation is your secret weapon. Put in the work so that when the moment comes, you're ready to shine. Like Jordan, your confidence is built in the hours no one sees. It's earned, not given. Pressure makes some people crumble, but for Jordan, it was an opportunity to prove himself. He thrived in high-stakes moments because he had trained his mind to stay calm and focused. Jordan once said, "Why would I think about missing a shot I haven't taken yet?" This mindset can transform how you approach challenges. Instead of fearing the spotlight, embrace it. Pressure is a privilege. It means you've earned the chance to make a difference. Trust your preparation, focus on the moment, and deliver. At the heart of everything Jordan did was his love for basketball. He played with joy, passion, and a deep respect for the game. It wasn't just about winning, it was about expressing himself through the sport he loved. Passion is what fuels greatness. If you truly love what you do, the sacrifices, long hours, and challenges feel worth it. So find your passion. Once you discover it, pour your heart and soul into it. That's the real path to success. The sacrifices and challenges feel worth it when you love what you do. That's the real path to success. Michael Jordan's mindset isn't just a blueprint for basketball success, it's a guide for life. Discipline, resilience, competitiveness, confidence, and passion, these principles can help you achieve greatness in whatever you pursue. The same mindset that led Michael Jordan to greatness can lead you there too. If you found this video inspiring, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on the mindsets of legends. Remember, greatness isn't a gift, it's a choice, and it starts with the way you think.